Norkot 9100 horizontal grinder. PTO and the hydraulics are powered by a 3406 Caterpillar diesel. This is the grinding chamber. Push ram to feed the material into the mill. This is the discharge conveyor, which is removable for transport for long distances. Quick couplers on the hydraulics. It has a magnetic head pulley. This is a collections tray, which separates the magnetized materials here. This is a control box. Turns the power on and off to your pendant. Allows you to operate in a manual mode.